So I went and got my wallet, as you can see. Before we go over the tools, we'll just see how well it fits in your wallet. Fits very nicely, even though you do have to put a little more pressure to get it in there. Fits normally. You'd think it would be bulky, but not really. Strange. Now, swisscard has this letter opener, they call it. Just a blade. It's about the size of the second blade on a Tinker or Spartan little blade. Very satisfying snap when it fits in. Here we have a nail file, which is the same nail file you would find on a classic SD. In fact, here is a comparison. It's just on, it's just on a little stick. Except this has the other variant. This is the screwdriver as well. Moving on. Here you have the tweezers, normal tweezers, you would find in about any other Swiss Army knife. Toothpick, normal, and a pen, which you could use to level something out, like this. Or you could just write with it. Here is a strange tool. It's the scissors you would find on a normal classic SD, or just the classic, except it's stuck on with a little thumb hole. So you could do it like this. I'm not sure how you're supposed to use it. I think it might, yeah, like this. And you could cut some things, like this packaging. Very nice. A feature that really isn't really count as two features, they say it does, but at the top, if it would focus, you have a ruler. They count this as two features. You have an inch ruler, which goes up 3 inches. You have a nice transparent feel to it, so you can see the tools inside, which is very cool. Of course, swisscard classic. I wanted to get the swisscard Lite, but my local store ran out of it. So anyway, here is a bonus thing I got. This is a Victorinox cutting knife in walnut. You can see it has the older Victorinox logo with the newer one, with the printing number. Very nice handle. It's very hard and grippy. It's very sharp too. Anyways, that's the end of the review. Expect a new video tomorrow or next week. Goodbye.